Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set the on and the off timer on your Gree air conditioner using the YB1FA remote control. So as you can see, this is the remote that I'm currently using. So before using the timer, you need to make sure that the remote displays you the correct time. So on top of your remote, you just have to simply press this lock button and use the plus and the minus buttons in order to set the correct time. Then again press the clock button in order to basically save the changes. After doing this particular thing, you just have to simply select the timer on button and the timer icon then start flashing on top of your display. So it is going to look something like this. So the timer icon, when it starts flashing, you just have to simply use the plus and the minus buttons in order to choose the time that you want the air conditioner to turn on. Then simply press the timer on button again in order to confirm these changes. Now to schedule the AC to turn off automatically, you need to also press the timer off button and adjust the desired shut off time using the plus and the minus buttons, and then press the timer off one more time in order to basically save these settings. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.